Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to use Bluesky. So as you see, I'm on the homepage. The homepage is the page that you discover new posts, and all you can do, you can comment on stuff by clicking on the little thing right here, and you can write your reply, then click reply, and then you can repost or quote a post, and then you can just write down everything that you need to write and click post. You can like posts by clicking on the heart with the left click, or you can do many more things like block this account, report post, and all of those things listed. And essentially, if you want to create a post yourself, all you need to do is just left click on the new post, write whichever you would like, and click post with the left click. And as you will see, click on your profile, and then that's where all the posts are located, replies, and everything that you have right now. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.